Here are a few fun gift wrapping techniques to try out this holiday season. Start by measuring out how much paper you will need by moving the box across the paper. Start on one thin side and move the box an additional 4 times. Cut your paper along the last edge. Pull the bottom corner up diagonally to make a triangle shape and fold the crease. Cut along the top. Place your box in the center of your paper. Make sure your box is in the center by temporarily folding down the top and bottom corners. Look for the small triangles and see if they are in equal size. Next, crease the top corner of the paper so that the corner touches the top of the box. Fold the bottom corner over the box and hold it in place. Place the left side flap against the side of the box while bringing the left corner paper upward to create a folded edge that aligns with the side of the box. Repeat on the right side of the box. Fold the left corner over the box and secure with tape or glue dots. Repeat with the right corner. Fold the top paper against the side of the box until the paper lies flat and creates a triangle. Flatten and crease the tip of the envelope flap. Fold the 2 smaller flaps down. Bring your top corner over the top of the box and adhere with glue dots, a wax seal, or a fun holiday-themed sticker. Begin by measuring your box on your paper. Fold the paper to cover 2/3 of the box. Pull the paper roll up and crease at the edge of the box. Cut along the edge. Repeat this step in the other direction so that the paper is square. Place your box in the lower 2/3 of your paper. Fold the top side onto the box to cover 2/3 of the box. Adhere with tape or glue dots. Fold the top left section of the paper down to meet the side of the box. Fold along the top and bottom creases. Repeat on the right side. Fold the top left flap on top of the box and crease the edge. Repeat on the right side. Then fold the bottom left flap on top of the box and crease the edge. Repeat again on the right side. Fold the right edge of the paper under to create a clean edge. Adhere with tape or glue dots. Close the bottom by folding in all of the sides. Seal with tape or glue dots. Place your gift tag or card in one of the kimono folds. And lastly, for your younger kids, try wrapping your presents in craft or construction paper. Add crayons or colored pencils with washi tape and allow your kids to decorate their own presents before the big day. You can also get creative with your gift tags. Print off a picture of yourself with your giftee. This is a fun way to find your presents, as well as look back on memories with loved ones. Another fun gift tag option for kids and adults is to make paper snowflakes. Start with a square piece of paper, fold diagonally so that the opposite corners meet. Fold the triangle in half 2 to 3 more times. Cut out different sections of the triangle, making sure not to cut off the entire length of the folded sides. When you're ready, open up your snowflake to reveal your design. Enjoy your holiday season! Find more at Mardel.com or visit one of our stores.